Today I am going to review the new electronics for WPL which has been kindly sent by WPL. I have received this transmitter receiver, this 2-speed gears, metal drive trains, lots of weights for the rims, and a box of WPL B26 kit. So let's directly check what's there inside this transmitter and receiver kit. This is a 4-channel transmitter, the receiver, speaker, few decals, and this manual. Right now I'll test out how much is the output voltage for the LEDs so that I can put appropriate resistors if required. It clearly shows that the approximate voltage differential is 3.3 volts. So I think it should be fine with my LEDs. I would suggest WPL to provide the male pins for these kind of plugs. So what I can do right now is that I'll collect the pins for these kind of plugs from your old toys. Just now I installed 3 extra JST plugs so that I can connect left turn signal, right turn signal and backlight. So just keep in mind that you have these extra JST plugs so that you can connect to this board. I'll walk you through the different plugs which we have once again according to this manual. So this one is for the horn, this one is left turn signal, right turn signal, backlight, headlamps, motor, switch, battery. These upper 3 pins are for shifting gears and the lower 3 pins are for the steering servo. I'll show you all the connections which I have made. These are the tail lights which I have installed. Here I have installed indicator lights, headlights, and all the connections I've already prepared. Let's install everything and test out how it works. This truck is finally ready, so let's test out all the features of this new circuit. In this radio control, this is the trim function. This is the button which is basically volume control. I'll start the engine sound. This level 1 sound, level 2 sound, level 3 sound, and again if you press the volume and if I press the button again, the volume will go down. If I press this button for long, the headlights will switch off. If I press this button for long, the headlights will switch on. And apart from that, if I press this button for long, the indicators will flash. If I press this button again for long, the indicators will go down. Okay, and then we have turn signals as well. Now you can shift the gears by pressing this button once. I'll show you. First gear, second gear. Now we also have reverse lights. So guys, this stuff is really awesome and can be installed in any other small scale RCs. I wish WPL keeps on innovating and make RCs more affordable and reliable. I hope they improve on the electronic circuit like the plugs and the pins spoke about. So friends, I'll show you the test run of this truck right now. Watch the video till the end and show me your kindness and love by subscribing to my channel.